Hello everyone, welcome back to Rejoice International School. Let's revise what we had done in the last session. We had learned that people and many other animals have skeletons inside their body. Our skeletons support our body from inside. Our skeletons are made of different bones, and the bones are different in sizes and shapes. Animals who do not have backbone are called invertebrates, and those who have are called vertebrates. I had also asked you a question if the babies have more bones or the adults. Here's the answer. The babies. The babies have more bones because they have smaller bones compared to the adults. They have many smaller bones that when they grow up, fuse together and make larger bones. And that's why the humans have larger bones but lesser bones, and the babies have smaller bones and more bones than the adults. So clearly babies are the winner here. Let's start our session 2. The human skeletons. Let's do a pipe cleaner and a straw experiment. I have a drinking straw here and I have something like a pipe cleaner here. What we are going to do is we are going to insert this particular pipe cleaner inside the straw and see what happens. This is to let you all know what will happen if our body will not have smaller bones and large bones and a set of bones, but one single bone. If our body will be standing on one single bone, then it will not have any flexibility. It will not bend. We won't be able to bend our fingers and our elbows and so on. And if we cut this particular bone into smaller parts, then what happens? Let's see. This is a smaller part of the bone. So I put it inside. 1, 2, 3. Well, I can't really be putting all the 206 bones to explain you how the body will be able to bend. But if you see here, now I can bend my body a little better. Alright. So the point is, when the straw was just one long piece, we couldn't bend it and we cannot have much flexibility. Our body cannot be standing on one single bone because we will not have that kind of flexibility then. When we cut it into pieces, when we have larger and smaller bones, then we can bend easily, and this is because of the joints. The joints are where 2 or more bones meet each other. Alright? Our backbone, our spine is made up of irregular bones, a lot of irregular shaped bones, and our body has a lot of joints as well. So this picture is from the textbook, and we are going to be learning about the names of the bones inside our body. Just like our body parts have different names like hands and legs and face. So just like that, our bones also have names. And as you can see that there are long bones, short bones, flat bones and irregular bones. So the long bones will comprise of legs, arms and thigh. The short bones will comprise of fingers. The flat bones is our skull and the irregular bones are spine. Let's start from the top. Alright, this is our skull. Can you feel it? The flat bone? Yes, that's our skull. Then there's jawbone. Then there is shoulder blades, collarbones, rib cage, and the backbone is also called as vertebrae. Let's revise more in detail. This is a skull bone. As I said, this is a skull bone. This is a jaw bone. Over here, we have collarbone and rib cage and our backbone, vertebrae. We also have shoulder blades. So summary of session 2. Our bones are made of long bones like legs, arms, thighs, etc. Our short bones like fingers, flat bones like skull, irregular bones like spine, and just like different parts of the body have different names, different bones also have different names. And we learned about 7 names of the bones today, starting from skull, jawbone, collarbone, shoulder blade, vertebrae or backbone, spine, also rib cage, and that's all. That's all for today. For the next lecture, I want you all to search and answer, do giraffes have more bones in the neck than humans? So if giraffes have more bones or humans have more bones in the neck, that you are something to find out and let me know. Thank you.